Hi friend, today's video is very important that because in Bank Nifty jackpot we have completed 50 trade this year today, and after consecutive losses in Bank Nifty we have found a very good profitable trade today. It's earned 417 points or 10,425 per lot. Now I am talking about those who are new. I am talking about trading a specific trading routine and strategy using this simple three-step Excel formula where you have to enter the data of the yesterday's to find the trade next day. I will talk about that. I will demonstrate how you can do it, but before that I will quickly go through the performance because it is very important. Number one, we had really bad couple of three trades earlier. Fortunately, we have um, recovered the amount very soon, and this streak ended with only three losing trade. Generally, as you can see, it has a tendency to have a larger streak also. So during June to July, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 consecutive losses streak, but a streak of three losses or four losses, and sometimes the six losses happens once in this year is very common for this strategy. On the flip side, you can see that there was a streak of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 profitable trade also. So, and recently we have seen a streak of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 positive trade, and followed by a negative trade, another streak of winning 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then we are back and forth of profit trade and loss trade, and then a streak of three losing trade that break with the 417 point, which almost cover all the losses, because in the trade of 7th, we lost 304 point, and then 132 point, and then 45 point, and today's 417 point almost recovered all the losses in this month. With that, the very important thing is that we have completed the 50 trade. Among the 50 trade this year, we have 27 profitable and 23 losing trade, and the average risk reward ratio is 2.9, and we have gained a profit of 1,90,946.25 if you trade based on the one lot basis. Now I should demonstrate you how to do it. Now, as I mentioned that this strategy and give you an indication one day before. So uh, to find the trade today was 14th, you have to enter the data of the 11th. So what you have to do is that, see, three-step process. Enter 3 point data, it is clearly mentioned here. Once you've done that, no tomorrow is a jackpot or not. If tomorrow is a jackpot, you will find a yes here. And the third step is executions of the trade. That happen when you wait for next day, and you wait for first 15-minute candle, and at 9:30 you check the high and low of the first 15-minute candle. You put a bracket order, you place a sell order just below the 9:30 low, and you place a buy order above the first 15-minute candle high. I will show you in details. Once one of the trade execute, the rest of the order which remain pending will continuously act for the day as a stop loss point. You should exit the trade at 3 p.m. That's the strategy. Now let's move to the data point. So what it says that enter first 15-minute data high low. When you will do it after market close to check whether there is a jackpot opportunity tomorrow or not. So to find the opportunity, And to understand what will be the trade of Monday, we actually go back to Friday, and after Friday's close, we enter the data. Now, what data we are talking about? The first 15-minute candle high low. So enter the data. Now, if I enter the data, what if the next day is a probability of high one directional uh, big movement? Then how it will indicate? It will indicate over here. Look after here, and you will find a um, this not applicable will convert into a yes. Let's see how it's happened. So the high of the first 15-minute candle last Friday was 22,676. 22,676. 22,676. Okay, correct. Yes, and the low was 22,443. 443.2. It's easy. You enter the first set of data. Now, what you have to do is that you have to enter the second set of data. But before that, I will enter the high and lows of the day. As you can see in this in the Friday, remember all of this data you are entering after the Friday's market close to understand whether there is a trade in Monday or not. So as you can see that this candle was made the high of the day. Among all those candles, this was the high. So we have to take the high of that. This is the daily's high, highest point of the day. Remember, highest point of the day data we are taking it the from the 15-minute candle itself. High is the 22,676. 676. Fantastic. And the low, as you can see in inter-trade data, this candle, the 13.1345 145 candle made the low, and the low was 22240.5. 22240.5. I have entered this set of data also. Now what you have to do is that you have to take the last, enter the last 15-minute candle high low, enter the last 15-minute candle high low. The high of the last 15-minute candle was 22580.85, and the low was 22,520. As you can see, as I enter all this data, this is indicating yes, tomorrow is a jackpot day. Now, if you find tomorrow is the jackpot day indication, then what you will do tomorrow? That is clearly mentioned in this Excel sheet. By the way, you can get this Excel sheet. The link is under description. You can find. Now, once you will find that tomorrow is a jackpot day, what will be the entry? Entry will be on a break of first 15-minute candle. So today, this is the first 15-minute candle. Low was 22658. You should place a stop loss order to sell at 22,657, and the high 22,820, that should be a buy stop loss you should place. As you can see that in second candle, the stop loss, the low sell order has been triggered here. Your stop loss remain here, and then you wait till 3 p.m. Around 3 p.m. you have to close the trade. By doing so, we have able to capture a good profit today, and we enter the trade at 22,658, and exit is at 22,241. That is around the 3 p.m. data. So with that, we have closed this day very well, and we able to recover the most of the part of the almost all the part of the last three consecutive losing streak. And you know that this is the trading. You have to have go through the losing streak. That losing streak is unavoidable, and any trading system generally passes through this back patch or phase. Only problem is that if someone of you has started trading from this point onward, then say it's very bad luck for anyone who started the trading on the 2nd of September. Now, if he started from the 2nd of September. By the time the last weekend, he lost 435 point. But among these 435 point of loss in a single trade, probably he recovered almost everything. Consistently doing this, we have made the half century of the trade, and we are at 50 trade this year, and we able to capture a very good amount of points. We have at 1,90,946 per lot basis. Thank you so much for your kind attention and time. I hope you are all taking very good care of you. Until next, goodbye.